All right, so this video we're going to talk about multiplying polynomials, and this is a review of what we did in quarter one. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a box. We're just going to follow the instructions here. We're going to draw a box. We're going to use the box method. It's just a multiplication table. So we're going to draw a box. Remember, I need, in this case, I have two terms, so I need a 2-column box. And I have two terms here. Both of these factors are binomials. Remember, binomial has two terms. So, and now I'm going to multiply. So we're going to do x times x and create x squared. We're going to do x times 3 and get 3x. Over here, we're going to do the x that's here times the 2 that's here. That's 2x. And in the last box, we're going to do 2 times 3. We're in the column that has a 3 at the top and a 2 at the side, so 2 times 3 is 6. And then, so we've done the multiplication. That's step 2. We're going to write out the 4 terms that are in the box. The 4 terms of our product are x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. Notice how I'm putting plus signs between them. And then I'm going to simplify, which in this case is just combining the 3x and the 2x. 3 of something plus 2 of something. I have 5 of that same something. And there's the answer we're looking for. Now notice that is a trinomial, but it's written in standard form. Powers are going from biggest to smallest. So there's our answer. All right, number 2. I'm going to actually do this one without the box. Now, I'm going to do the remainder of them with the box, but this one I'm going to do without the box. And if you want to do that in your, as you work through these multiplication problems on the assignment, you're welcome to do this. Just use the distributive property. Remember how that works. We take the 2x times the x and get 2x squared. We take the 2x times the 4 and get a positive 8x. The 2x has gotten its opportunity to multiply with both of the terms in the second set of parentheses, so we move to the 3. And we do 3 times x, which is 3x. And then we do 3 times 4, which is 12. Notice the plus signs in between. All these are positives. And then we're going to combine the like terms. We get 2x squared plus 11x plus 12. And our polynomial is a trinomial. Once we multiply it out, we have a trinomial written in standard form. Okay, if you want to, you can pause the video and try number 3 on your own. I'm just going to go ahead and work through it. Once again, 2 rows, 2 columns. First factor, I'll just go ahead and put it here. Notice I have to do the minus 3, negative in front of the 3. If you want to, you can put a plus sign in front of the 4, but it's not really necessary. But that side factor is 2x plus 4. Then I do the multiplication. 2x times 3x, 2x times negative 3, 3x times 4, and negative 3 times 4. Then we're going to write down the 4 terms that are in the box, and we're going to add them up. But remember, when we are adding and subtracting, we can only combine the like terms, and to be alike means they have the same variable and the same power. The only ones that have the same power are the 2 that are right here. So I'll put those together. I'm going to redo that x squared. It looked a little bad. So the negative 6x and the positive 12x is positive 6x. And then we have our polynomial written in standard form. Okay, so there we have it. Now for number 4, again, I'm going to use the box for all these. You're welcome to use the distributive property if you want. I need a 2 by 2 box because I have a binomial multiplying with a binomial. Notice the negative in front of that 2. X times x, x times negative 2, x times 3. And we're just multiplying here and here. It's just a multiplication table. And then negative 2 times 3 goes right here. And what we have is x squared minus 2x plus 3x minus 6. The only ones that are going to combine are the 2 in the middle. Negative 2 plus 3 is positive 1. So we end up with this polynomial. Number 5. Again, you can pause the video and try it on your own. And then come back when you're finished and check. Notice these are both minus x minus 2 and x minus 3. Make sure you get those negatives. You're creating a multiplication table. The box is just a multiplication table. So x times x, negative 2x. This is just a way of organizing the distribution, organizing the use of the distributive property. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 6. Negative times negative is positive. And then we get x squared minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. Sign is super important. Combine the like terms. Negative 2x and negative 3x combine to give negative 5x. And we are finished. Last one. Again, it's a binomial, multiplying with a binomial, so I need 2 columns and 2 rows. X times x, x times negative 3, x times 2, and 2 times negative 3. And then we will write down the 4 terms, combine the 2 that are alike, and for our final answer, we have x squared minus x minus 6. And we're done. It's interesting to compare the first one we did with the 4th, 5th, and 6th one. What happens when those signs change? What happens to the product? Okay, I'm going to stop this one and do a second video and a third video